Hello friends, this is Bapi Sardar. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to freeze header in easy way. So dear friends, if you really want to learn how to freeze header, what you have to do? You have to watch this video till the end. There are two ways we can freeze header. Number one, first of all you have to select here and go to views option and click freeze panes and choose this one. Now see, your header has been freezed. If you want to unfreeze this header, repeat the same work. Go to views option and click freeze panes and click this one. Now see, the header has been unfreezed. We can freeze header in shortcut way. So what you have to do for this? First, you have to select here and press Alt WFF. Now see, the header has been freezed. And if you want to unfreeze this header, repeat the same work. Press Alt WFF. Now see, your header has been unfreezed. This is it. So dear friends, please follow and subscribe this channel to get such videos. Thanks for watching.